The versatile Linea family of castors from Tente are designed for flexible and efficient applications in medical equipment and furniture. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Among the wide range of options, the Linea painted version features customisable coloured housings to enable workplace equipment organisation. There's a conductive version that improves workplace safety by providing a discharge path to earth for electrical charges, and a stainless steel washable version provides maximum corrosion resistance. Braking options cover total lock, directional locking and a combination of the two. And there's also a low profile series that provides the same level of mobility in a smaller package. With a wide range of sizes and a full choice of mounting options, the Linea family offers solutions to all applications. And you can find out more about Tente's Linea Castor family at all of W's Tente, which is tente.com.au, or call them on 1300 836 831. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.